Be3N2. I'm going to name this compound. The first thing that I need to do is I need to find who Be is. Be is beryllium. It is in the first two columns, which makes that a representative metal, so I can go ahead and proceed. For representative metals, all I need to do for my cation is just state the name. So far, all I have is beryllium as my name. Next, I will look at my partner ion. That's going to be N. N is nitrogen. Nitrogen is going to be my anion, and my anion changes their suffix to "ide." So this will be beryllium nitride. My cation for beryllium nitride, my cation is going to come first. So that would be beryllium. And my anion will come second, so that would be nitrogen. Naming K3N. First, I need to figure out who K is. K is potassium. It's in the first two columns, which makes that a representative metal. So I can just go ahead and write down K's name, potassium. And then my partner is N. N is nitrogen. Nitrogen being my anion will change its suffix to "ide." So this will turn into nitride. So potassium nitride is my name. The cation for K3N is going to come first. So potassium is my cation. And my anion is going to be whoever comes second. So that would be nitrogen. Naming CaO. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out who Ca is. Ca is calcium, and it is in the first two columns, which makes that a representative metal. So all I need to do is just name the metal. So calcium. Then I'll look at my partner, O. O is oxygen. It's in the second position, which would make that my anion. So that means that this is going to be oxide, since my anion changes their suffix to "ide." The cation for CaO is going to be calcium, since calcium is in the first position and cations always come first. My anion is going to be oxygen, since oxygen is in the second position and my anions are always second. Which ion changes its suffix to "ide"? That's going to be my anion. My anion, or the element in the second position, is going to change its suffix to "ide." I know this is true because I need to know when I've stopped listing out a bunch of elements, and so my final element is going to be the one that changes its suffix. That's going to be my auditory reminder that I am done just listing elements. If there's not a subscript present, what number is implied? So if there's not a subscript present, the number that is implied is the number 1. This is due to just writing the element symbol implies that there is at least one of them present. If I didn't have any present, I would not write them at all. So just writing the element symbol is enough to imply that there is one present within the compound.